Hey guys, welcome to another episode of GGC TV. In today's episode, we're showcasing the Francesca floor plan here behind me. 2,000 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. As you can see, they're finishing up on the exterior here, got some stone work going in. Vinyl siding, brick roll lock complete. Let's go on in and take a look at some of the interior finishes. So walking in, you've got your double French doors here, opens into your foyer, and then opens up into your living space. You've got living, dining, kitchen, stainless steel appliances getting ready to go in, LVP, custom cabinetry. You've got all white quartz, nickel finishes will be on the cabinets, and then it kind of leads you down this hallway here. So you've got 3 bedrooms, 1 bath on this side of the house, and on the opposite wing you've got your master. So carpet going down in the bedrooms. And then moving along, you've got your guest bathroom here that has the tile, dual vanity with quartz as well. And then moving along to your master, the master bedroom, plenty of space here. Opens up into your master, carpet on the floor in here. Opens up into your master bath, master suite, I should say. So you've got tile shower, soaking tub here, toilet room, dual vanities, and then it opens up into your huge walk-in closet. Plenty of space in this closet here. And another cool feature in this bathroom is it actually opens up into your laundry room. So you've got separation here from your bathroom to your laundry. So just walk on in. Standalone sink there, washer and dryer there, mud bench here, and then you've got your 2-car garage here to the left. The Francesca plan is a buildable floor plan in the landing. If you're unfamiliar with the landing, this is a community that has 4-foot sidewalks located in Enterprise, Alabama, in city limits, zoned for Enterprise City Schools. If you're interested in the community, feel free to reach out.